Hey Salesforce Hubs, I want you to like, share and subscribe to my channel Codeforce Chronicles and follow my blog by hitting the follow button, and I want you to subscribe to my posts and comments if you want to understand Salesforce in depth. What if I told you the next version of AI won't just understand you, it might start understanding itself. So today, we will understand why AI is not just responding, not just learning, but the AI is reflecting. Think about its own decisions. Thinking about its own decisions, questioning its own outcomes. That's not intelligence, that's the beginning of something deeper. Something we call conscious systems. Hi everyone, this is Shruti and welcome to Codeforce Chronicles. If you have been following my journey, you know we have explored intelligent systems, autonomous ecosystems, AI-driven economies, even intelligent reality. But today we go one level deeper. This video is based on my latest blog, where I explore, can systems simulate something close to consciousness? And the answer to this is, and I want you to comment in the comment section below. Let's understand how we go here. We started with automation, systems execute, where systems execute, intelligence where systems predict, autonomy where systems decide, awareness where systems understand context. And now we are asking, can systems reflect on their own decisions? And the answer to is the shift awareness, or where conscious intelligence plays a major role in the stage and capability. So I want you to understand this section of the blog. That's a completely different paradigm. Let's simplify this. Today's AI takes input, processes it, gives output. Conscious like systems, you go one step further. After giving output, they ask, was this the best decision? Could I have done better? What should I change next time? The answer to this is the first scenario. Now, that ability to evaluate itself is what matters this shift powerful. What makes this shift powerful? Think about it. Okay? Intelligence answers questions. These are the questions which it will answer. It can answer. Conscious systems question their own answers. So the scenario, customer experience, where traditional AI comes into picture is, you can ask a question, it gives an answer. Simple. Right? End of interaction. Now, imagine a conscious system. After the conversation, it reflects. Did the customer feel satisfied? Was the response empathetic enough? Could I improve the outcome? These are the questions you should ask. Next time it adapts, not just because of data but because of self-evaluation. So that is the first scenario where the system is responding. That's not just learning, that's reflection-driven improvement. Now let's scale this to enterprises. Okay. Imagine a system making a business decision. Launch a product, enter a new market. Traditional system. This is an example of traditional system. Traditional system uses data, makes prediction. Conscious system. After execution, that is after you execute this, it reflects, was this strategy aligned with long-term goals? Did we misinterpret any signals? What alternative path could be better? Then it evolves its own logic. This creates smarter decisions, faster adaptation, continuous improvement. At the core, there's a loop. Decision, outcome, reflection, adjustment, improve decisions. And this keeps repeating over time. Systems don't just get smarter, they get better at thinking. And this is where things get interesting, because now we are not just building tools, we are building systems that evaluate themselves, adapt their reasoning, stimulate intent. And that raises a question, a powerful question. Are we still in control? I want to hear from you. Do you think AI can ever truly reflect humans? Comment yes or no. The answer is in this section. And tell me why. So comment below yes or no and tell me why. I read every single comment. Here's the important part. You don't need to fear the shift. You need to understand it, because the people who understand this early will build the future, will lead innovation, will create opportunities, and that's exactly why I'm sharing this with you. So the real question is not, can AI become conscious? It's, are we ready for systems that can reflect? Because the future isn't just intelligence, it's conscious intelligence. In this video, if this video made you think, don't leave without taking action. Like the video, comment your answer yes or no, and share it with someone in tech. And subscribe to Codeforce Chronicles. We are building a community that understands the future early. This is Shruti, and I'll see you in the next video. Thank you.